Recently, we see, according to the data of, again, the Economic Advisory Council to the Prime Minister, India major migration trends that has been changing on the basis of geographical factors. And one of the major reasons has always also been the expansion of the network of Indian railways because of the ease of travel and new again employment opportunities, specifically if you talk about the blue collared workers in states like West Bengal and Rajasthan. These are the new migrant destination hotspots. So if you clearly look at the even states from and states to data, there we see, for example, UP to Delhi migration has been increasing, Gujarat to Maharashtra migration increasing, Bihar to Delhi, Bihar to West Bengal has been increasing. We talk about that overall on the larger scale, the rate of migration has been declined, or the number of migrants, their number has been declining. तो somewhere हम इस चीज को भी इंटरप्रेट ऐसे कर सकते हैं कि in the rural economy, more employment opportunities are being generated, more people are seeing stable livelihood options there. So the need for migration has been declining. That is what the data is pointing towards. But is it the real ground situation is again the question. There have been several measures taken up to again ensure the welfare and the interest of the migrants. For example, we have One Nation, One Ration card is there, then MG Narega scheme is there, then we have the National Urban Livelihoods Mission is there, Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana, PM Swanidhi scheme for skills and training, particularly street vendors. But still, again, when it comes to even the social security measures, also we are seeing scheme exist. Atal Pension Yojana exist करती है for the informal sector workers. But there we are seeing that numbers are very dismal because the again casual laborers या जो contractual laborers का number increase हो रहा है, their income is not stable. So how we can expect कि even in the अटल पेंशन योजना सोशल सिक्योरिटी स्कीम जो है कि उनका नंबर इंक्रीज होगा या it is going to work effectively. So again, always the basis is stable employment opportunities to them, ensuring their welfare. Even gig economy में भी जब हम बात करते हैं how that has been expanding, the role of casual workers is involved, is a part of that. वहाँ पे भी हम reforms की बात करें, talking about need of a dedicated law to regulate gig economy. What about the welfare and the rights of the workers who are engaged in that? Employment hours fixed नहीं है, and even the quickly or the better and effectively we implement the four labor codes, that will also help in ensuring the rights and the welfare and the protection of the migrants.